Alright guys, what's happening? You know who it is, you know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We got a 2008 Chevy Silverado, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. First thing I like to do is come down right here, and I just pull that part out, just that tad bit. You don't need a whole lot. Now, with this, we're just going to take our hand, come over here. I almost never use panel removal tools with this dash. I'm just all too familiar with it. So we'll put our key in, bring this down just a little bit, turn that crap off, and we get that. Now this part may be a tad bit tricky. Boom. Put that back in part. Boom. Now, all we got is 3 7mm on this side, 3 7mm on that side, and guess what? We're gonna have that radio. Alright, so with that off, boom, that comes out. Boom, that comes out. Now all we gotta do is take these harnesses off and that antenna, and we'll have that radio. I'm gonna go ahead and wire everything up so you can see what it looks like when I got it done. Alright guys, that's about it. If you guys want to know how to wire up your own radio, make sure you hit that link in the description and that card in the corner. If you guys want to know about all the parts that I use, make sure you hit those links down in the description. I will have the dash kit, the wire harness, the radio, all that good stuff in the description down below. Everything's working good, sounds good, looks good. Until next time, this is JP signing out, and I'll catch y'all at the next car.